Good morning, good afternoon even. I think it's afternoon now. Hi anyway, it's CrochetRocks and I've got a little yarn unboxing, unbagging, unveiling, reveal, whatever you want to call it. It's only a small one. It's a small one by my standards, so therefore it is a small one, I guess. I'm not really ordering so much yarn at the moment. I have so much yarn that I really struggle for places to put it. And also, as you know, many of you know, I'm starting my own business called Hobby Rocks, and therefore I will be stocking yarn to sell for business. So it seems silly to buy as a consumer when I will probably be buying wholesale prices soon. So therefore, probably my very last Deramores order. Probably. I say probably because, you know, you can never say never, can you? Not when it's yarn anyway. So I had a little order the other day because I wanted to have a bit of a nostalgia trip down Emu yarns. Hadn't seen them since I was a little girl, so I ordered that. But this was something that Deramores had a massive sale on, and I figured, you know, I really wanted it. So I didn't buy much. I did buy a lot of the same thing, if you know what I mean. So there's not really a great deal of different yarns, but what I did buy was extremely cheap. So this, I got a lot of this. And this is Serdar Soiree. Serdar Soiree. And let's put the light on, shall we? Oh my goodness, I didn't realise. Oh no, I've got to show you. I'm not sure if you're going to pick this up. Look at that. I thought when I touched it, it seems not as soft as I imagined, but it's kind of, I don't know if you're getting this, but this is, it's like the paparazzi are in this yarn. Seriously, catwalk or what? It's just on fire, the amount of glitz. I didn't even know it had glitz. I just saw blue, that pale blue. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow. Anyway, Serdar Soiree, 50 grams, which is 110 meters or 120 yards approximately, like the word, approximately. So, oh, the donut's easy to see as well. So this is shade 0207 fine china blue. It's lovely. It is a very fine china blue, but I cannot, when I saw the light, you know, lifted my light and it just sparkled beyond belief. Wow, I'm in shock. So I did order quite a bit of this. I've got 2 there and a whole pack. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 12 altogether. Oh, that's lovely though, isn't it? I wanted enough kind of quantity to make something of consequence. I need to show you that again. That is just absolutely on fire. Seriously, as soon as I put the little spotlight on there, it was like paparazzi bulbs going off right, left and centre. So I can't find the bit that tells you what it is. Where is it? I like these donuts, kinda, you know, they annoy me a little bit in terms of how can you put them on your shelf so easily. Here we go. It's 36% acrylic, 30% wool, 30% nylon and 4% polyester. But it is extremely pretty. So that's that. Then I decided that I wanted some Aran, and I might as well fill up on Stylecraft. Let's have a look, because that was really cheap. How much was it? See if it tells me. No, it doesn't give you the price, but it was I've got a feeling it was like £1 something. It was really cheap. Why did they not put the price on? They've got the overall price. All of the yarn that I bought without VAT tax is £24.33. My tax took it up to £29.20, so £30 really. and I bought yeah, 12 of them. So I got some special Aran, Starcraft special Aran. Yeah, it's 100% premium acrylic, 196 meters, 214 yards, naturally anti-pilling, knits to all Aran patterns. That's okay, don't want to knit with it. And it's called Aster, the shade 1003 Aster 100 gram balls. It is lovely stuff. I really like the Starcraft Aran, the special Aran. So I did get a couple of those because they're Thomas the Tank Engine blue, and I need to make something for Tyler that's Thomas the Tank Engine, and I also needed black. Didn't need as much black as I bought, but I got 3. Again, special Aran, because you can never really have enough black in your stash, I don't think. So again, premium acrylic, but it feels much softer than the blue, which is a bit weird, but it happens that way sometimes. 196 meters, 214 yards, premium acrylic, shade 1002 black. So that is all I got, but I love it actually. I'll just check that there's nothing else. No, there is more. There's another 1, 2, 3 more blacks. I got 6. I thought I only got 3. No, that is definitely all that's in there though. 6 black. Well, you can never really have enough black in your stash. You know, lots of stuff take black. So the thing I'm going to make is black and blue. I can't imagine using more than just 1 ball of it, but I'll probably make 2. I'll probably make one for Harley and one for Tyler, so that will be 1 each. Definitely won't use a lot of black on that particular project. Yeah, so that's what I got for that. And I just can't believe this. When I saw it, I thought, you know, Serdar is usually quite expensive, and it was crazy cheap. So I thought, oh, you know, might as well and make it worthwhile. I won't get loads of different yarns, I'll just get quantity. I didn't realise. I wish you could see how I'm seeing this. It's like a million paparazzi bulbs. All stunning it is. Stunning. It is stunning. Really. Got a cup of tea over there, so we don't want any more accidents in the yarn room with tea. But that's it, that's all I got. Beautiful yarn. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Watch out for my giveaway. I'm going to be doing a 7k giveaway soon. You never know, I might put some in, you never know. Thank you for watching, as I said, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.